Deep in the heart of Southeast Asia lies one of the oldest rainforests on earth, the Borneo Rainforest, a living cathedral of green stretching across Malaysia and Indonesia and touching Brunei. Older than the Amazon, this forest has stood for over 140 million years, sheltering life, culture, and mystery. Today we journey into its deep to witness its wonders, its struggles, and its enduring spirit. Geography and ecology. Borneo is the third largest island in the world. Its rainforest covers a vast landscape from towering mountains to winding rivers, from dense jungles to coastal mangroves. This ancient ecosystem is home to more than 15,000 plant species, 222 mammals, and over 400 species of birds. Every leaf, every stream, every shadow tells a story of survival and adaptation. Scientists call it a biodiversity hotspot, but for the people who live here, it is simply a home. Iconic wildlife. Among the forest's most famous residents are the orangutans, whose name means people of the forest. Watching them swing gracefully through the canopy reminds us of our shared ancestry. The proboscis monkey, with its comical long nose, thrives along the rivers. The pygmy elephant, small yet mighty, wanders through the undergrowth and hidden in the shadows. The elusive clouded leopard stalks silently, hornbills soar above, their wings echoing through the trees, while sun bears forage for honey. Each creature is a symbol of the rainforest richness and its fragility. Indigenous people and culture. For thousands of years, the Dayak tribes have lived in harmony with this forest. Their long houses, built from timber and raised on stilts, are more than homes. They are communities where generations share stories, rituals, and tradition. The forest is their provider, their protector, their spiritual guide. Might speak of spirits in the rivers, guardians in the trees, and ancestors who watch over the land. To the Dayak, the rainforest is not just a place, it is their identity. Threats and conservation. But this paradise is under threat. Vast area of rainforest have been cleared for palm oil plantation, logging and mining scar the land. Climate change alters rainfall patterns, endangering species that depend on delicate balance. Yet, amid these challenges, hope remains. Rehabilitation centers rescue orphaned orangutans, teaching them to survive in the wild. Conservationists plant trees, restore habitats, and fight for sustainable practices. Ecotourism offers a path where protecting nature also supports local communities. The strength is immense, but so is the determination to save this forest. Global significance. The Borneo Rainforest is more than a local treasure, it is a global lifeline. Its trees store vast amounts of carbon, helping regulate our planet's climate. Its rivers feed millions, its medicines heal countless lives. Scientists discover new species here every year, prove that the forest still holds secrets waiting to be revealed. In a world facing environmental crisis, Borneo stands as a reminder protecting nature is not a choice, it is a necessity. As the sun sets over the canopy, the rainforest glows in golden light. An orangutan cradles here in fact. A hornbill calls across the valley, and the river flows endlessly toward the sea. The Borneo Rainforest is not just a forest, it is a sanctuary of life, a cultural soul, and a living testament to resilience. To protect it is to protect ourselves. For in the heartbeat of Borneo, we hear the heartbeat of the earth. If you like this video, subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos on natural wonders and world history.